Here we go with a short, quick video for you. I'm supposed to be starting the video today, ready for next Wednesday. I'm gonna slide into the water soon. And as you can see by the trees flying around, it is really windy here. I don't know whether this camera on the phone will pick up the noise of the wind, but she's blowing pretty strong, and I know my normal camera, I can't block, the wind will just howl through the microphone. So what better way to spend the day than in the pool. There's the trees the other side of the house. One thing with having a small pool, because it's warm, the water's actually warm, it's not freezing cold. So what better way to spend a day? Let that wind blow, and hopefully tomorrow will be a quieter day. It's actually Friday today. Hopefully tomorrow will be a quieter day and I'll be able to get some video done, because it's Saturday and there'll be nobody at the school either. Okay, anyway, enjoy the rest of your day or your evening or whatever time it is wherever you are, and I will see you all on Wednesday in part 2 of Alice.